Good morning, everybody. We are turning 30 years. Our US team is celebrating 15 years since we started here back in 2009. It all comes down to one simple idea. Being close to our customers makes all the difference.
Good morning, everyone. Today, as we celebrate Edan Diagnostics' new manufacturing facility, we're celebrating another exciting milestone for San Diego's innovation economy. Edan Diagnostics is an even bigger part of this powerful ecosystem. For 30 years now, Edan has pioneered diagnostic solutions from ultrasound to patient monitoring to in vitro diagnostics, and now you're expanding that commitment with advanced manufacturing right here in San Diego.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Congratulations to Edan on this new exciting chapter.
3, 2, 1, cut.